Alright guys, this is Rapids Medical. I am back. It is currently 9:51 a.m. This is going to be for the 10 a.m. update on the Winter Storm Stella in my area, which is Lockport, New York. From the last update, which is around 8 o'clock this morning, we have gained about half an inch to another inch of snow. Not completely significant yet. We are expected to get much more snow later. So conditions aren't extremely bad right now. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can kind of see the snow blowing. Also, road conditions aren't terribly bad. My local public works crews have been doing a great job trying to keep the roads salted and manageable for drivers. So I thank them for that. Yeah, there's not that much going on right now. But I'll make sure to update you pretty soon, probably around 12 o'clock on the next update. Rapids Medical signing off.